our money's not as broken as others, and our savings, we basically monetize the equity market for our savings. That's what a lot of us do. And so it's easy for us to look around and say, what's the purpose of Bitcoin? I think when you look at the use case for it, you have to look at the global marketplace. There's 160 different currencies out there. And many of them do not have attractive equity markets or real estate markets for people to invest in. The question of liquid savings is very hard. I have a friend who's a physician in Egypt, and he literally stacks physical dollars like under his mattress as part of his savings because he doesn't have a local equity market that's really attractive long term. He doesn't want to hold his local currency. So it kind of comes down to, he's got a little bit of real estate, but that's illiquid. And so it comes down to dollars, gold, and assets like Bitcoin and things like that. And so another complicating factor is that, let's say, for example, if I send money to a graphic designer in country XYZ, maybe it's Egypt, maybe it's Nigeria, maybe it's Argentina, they often will receive it in their local currency at a fake exchange rate, and they still have the problem of, what do I keep my savings in, or how do I make sure I raise my prices each year in line with the monetary debasement that's happening. And one of the cool things about Bitcoin, or stable coins for that matter, is that I can send them the money that they prefer around their local banking system, as long as it's not a sanctioned country for me, right? So, for example, I would not send money to an Iranian, even though I would have the technical capability to do so.